Hello, today I'm going to show you strategy, uh, SSL strategy with Kumo Cloud. Okay, so first you need Ichimoku default settings, and you only need the cloud in this case. So, and then you need SSL channel. The period is 30, and then you need ATR indicator. I use this one. Okay, so if you don't have this on TradingView, just use other ATR indicator. So the stop loss is 2 times ATR and the take profit is 4 times ATR. Okay, so it's 2 to 1. So it's very straightforward. So if the price is above the cloud and SSL channel green above red, so you enter buy. Okay, so you just click and you see here, so just enter. Okay, so the multiplier is not correct, so 816. So and okay, got that one. Let's speed this up. Okay, so price below the cloud and SSL channel, red above green, so you sell. You just double click and see here. So all of the indicator, I'll post the link down below. So okay, okay, you enter again. So price above the cloud, SSL cross up. So yeah, we have a winning streak. That's because the price is trending. Okay. When it's ranging, then that's when you have a losing streak. Okay, we cannot enter here because it's still below the cloud. Okay, so here. Okay. Yeah, it's very easy. Okay. Above the cloud, cross up, so just enter. Okay. Okay, so let's see the statistic here. 7 profit trades. So you have a max consecutive wins, 7. So if I only show you this, it might be like the greatest trading strategy ever. Okay, but it's in trending market. Obviously, you will have a winning streak. But when it's ranging, you will lose money. Okay, so that's why it's important to backtest as many as you can. Okay, you cannot just backtest 10 times. Okay, so you start having losing streak. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you start losing now when it's ranging. Okay, price below the cloud, so we enter here. We enter here. So we lose money here. So okay, so I'm going to back test this 100 times, and we'll see if it's profitable. Okay, so here's the result of 100 tests. Okay, it's Euro USD 30 minutes from 6 January 2020 until 29 June 2020. Okay, so I usually test from 2 January 2020, but I didn't have signal until 6 January. Okay, so just to be clear, I'm not cherry picking or anything. So so in 100 backtests, I have a 44 profit trades and 56 profit trades. I'm sorry, 56 losing trades. So it's 44% win rate. Okay, so that's pretty decent for this R&R. Usually, if you have a 2-to-1 strategy, you have this 40 to 50% win rate, on average. So this is average strategy. And so in 100 trade, so this is a 10K account in the simulation. So in 10K account, I risk 2% per trade. So I made 76% on a gain on account. So 7,600 something, and that's that include a commission and spread. So that's pretty good, for a simple strategy, and you have 9 consecutive loss and match consecutive win 7. Okay, so you will have this kind of consecutive loss if your risk reward is 2-to-1, and yeah, that's all the strategy. Okay, so if you like the video, please comment below for the algorithm, and yeah, see you in a minute.